And in today's video, I'll teach you everything about Linktree. So to make Linktree first, to find Linktree, all you need to do is go to Google and just search Linktree. And then click on the top one that pops up. Now first what you need to do is sign up for free if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, you can just log in. You can either log in with your Google or just use your email and password. I'm just going to use my Google. Now you can type in your username. Just choose the one that is not being used by anyone else. Now press on continue. There has been an error somehow. Okay, so now my account has been created. Now click on the free plan and join for free. Now you can select a template that your Linktree will show. Just choose the one that you want the most. I'm just going to choose a random one. I'm just going to start with this template and then just click on your content. So I'm going to add my YouTube and my X. Now just add your profile title and then you can add your bio. Now my Linktree is ready. Now here you can add your Linktree, and on the and on your dashboard you can add your URL to your YouTube. Let me just pull up my YouTube. Now let's just add my YouTube here, and then also my X. Now all you need to do is enter, and then you will see your Linktree URL right there. Copy it, and if you go and paste it on your web browser, your Linktree profile will pull up. Now there you can see, if you click on YouTube, your YouTube channel will open up, and if you click on X, your X account will pull up. So that is how you create a LinkedIn and create your Linktree, and then you can even add more links and even change this appearance. So that is all for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.